In this video, I'm going to show you how you can help us by creating a conversation for English learners. This is the program that writes the code. Line 1. Start by picking the face of the person you want to talk, and then type what you want them to say. Hello Mike, would you like to go camping? Now click the Add Talker Below button. Pick a face for Mike. Yes, that is a great idea. I will bring my dog. Add Talker Below. Let's pick Mike again. Do you have a tent? Add Talker Below. Let's pick a face for Janet. Yes, I have a new tent. I want to test it. Add Talker Below. Great. Once you have written your conversation, press the Test Your Conversation button. And now you can see it in the same format that it is in our lesson pages. That means you can click this icon to hear it and the next button to move through the conversation. Once you're happy with your conversation, click the Send button. If you're not happy, you can go back to editing here. When you click the Send button, you see this form. Here is the code that we need to make your conversation live. If we like your conversation, we will put it live on Grammar Monster. Thanks for watching, and if you can, thanks for helping.